Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can log into your AT&T account. Firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC. Now on the top search bar, type www.att.com. After you enter, you'll be led to the official website of AT&T. Now on this page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see My AT&T option. If you click on that drop down menu, on the first option you'll see sign in button. Click on that. Then you'll be led to the sign in page. Here you'll have to enter your user ID. But if you have forgotten your user ID, click on the Forgot User ID button and follow through the process. Or if you don't have an account yet, click on the Create User ID button. You can also sign in with your My AT&T app, but if not, after entering your user ID, click on the Continue button. Then on this page, you'll have to enter your password. But if you've also forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password button and follow through the process. But if not, simply click on the Sign In button and you'll be successfully logged in to your My AT&T account. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.